Welcome, savvy learners and tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the captivating world where technology meets education, artificial intelligence. But before we unravel the impact of AI on learning, let's kick things off by understanding what AI is all about. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like the wizardry of the tech realm. It's the smart magic that enables machines to think, learn, and make decisions, almost like a digital brain. Picture it as the superhero of technology, ready to revolutionize the way we learn. Now let's take a trip down memory lane. The roots of AI go way back, with visionaries like Alan Turing paving the way. Over the years, it's evolved into a powerhouse of computational prowess, from expert systems to deep learning. The AI journey is nothing short of a technological odyssey. Now let's shift gears to the realm of education. The foundation of society's progress. Education has undergone a digital makeover. The era of chalkboards and textbooks is making way for a tech-savvy, interactive learning experience. Here's where the magic happens: the impact of AI on education. Brace yourselves for a ride through the transformative landscape of learning. First up, we have personalized learning. Imagine a world where your learning experience is as unique as you are. AI analyzes your learning patterns, tailoring content and pacing just for you. It's like having a personal guide on your academic journey. But wait, there's more. Intelligent tutoring systems are like having a 24/7 tutor by your side. Immediate feedback, personalized guidance. It's the future of one-on-one learning, supercharged by AI. And let's not forget the liberation of educators. AI swoops in to automate the administrative hassle, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring minds and fostering creativity. Accessibility takes center stage too. AI tools break down barriers, ensuring that education is inclusive for everyone. From adaptive interfaces to text-to-speech, it's a technological leap towards an equitable learning environment. Predictive analytics, another AI gem, helps foresee academic challenges before they arise. It's like having a crystal ball for student success, allowing timely interventions for a smoother learning journey. Now let's talk real talk, the yin and yang of AI in education. On the bright side, there's personalized learning, optimized teaching, and the democratization of education. But of course, every superhero has its challenges. Concerns about data privacy, algorithmic biases, and the risk of over-reliance on technology cast a shadow. We must navigate these challenges to ensure the ethical integration of AI in education. In conclusion, the fusion of AI and education is not just a revolution, it's a renaissance. As we step into a future where learning knows no bounds, let's embrace the magic responsibly, ensuring that every student, teacher, and learner benefits from this extraordinary journey. And there you have it, the captivating dance between AI and education. If you enjoyed this tech odyssey, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing content, and remember, the future of learning is now, and it's powered by AI. Until next time, keep learning, keep innovating, and embrace the magic of AI in education.